name is Steve Troncelliti. I'm the Vice President of IT and Chief Information Security Officer for Elemica, based in Wayne, Pennsylvania. We have myriad applications and product suites to facilitate the digital transformation of the supply chain for our customers. We started to look at establishing a security operations center internally. I've had experience with those in the past. They are a significant effort to spin up, and I know that the industry has gone to more of a managed model that works. And so we did have that discussion early on, but quickly moved to looking for a trusted partner to deliver those services. If I had to staff 3 shifts a day with all the tools and that underlying infrastructure to make that happen, the cost would be significant to Elemica. So knowing that there's somebody watching off hours and maybe when we're not is a huge help to us. And we get alerts all time of the day and night. So, you know, when we come in the morning, we're taking a look and seeing those things that may be noteworthy and that action's been taken on our behalf by the managed SOC at eSentire. So, you know, having eyes 24/7, that's the name of the game. And that gives us a huge step forward. The one thing I usually tops the list is the support and the SOC. Very proactive, very communicative, very timely in their communication, very detailed, all of which I need. I don't want to have to hunt and try to read between the lines and figure out what does this mean. It's very plainly written, actionable, that I can take it and use it right away. You know, I'm always willing to share that it's been a very positive experience.